How do magnets work? Magnets are special objects that have a very strong invisible force called magnetism. This force allows magnets to attract or pull certain things towards them, like pieces of metal. Inside a magnet, there are tiny things called atoms. Atoms are like really small building blocks that make up everything around us. These atoms have smaller parts inside them, including something called electrons. Electrons are like tiny magnets themselves. They have a property called charge that makes them attract or repel other charged things. When the electrons inside the atoms of a magnet all line up in the same direction, they create a force that makes the magnet strong. When you bring a magnet close to a piece of metal, like a paperclip, something magical happens. The magnet's force, or magnetism, pulls on the electrons inside the metal. This makes the electrons in the metal line up too, just like the electrons in the magnet. When that happens, the metal becomes attracted to the magnet and sticks to it. But magnets can also push things away. If you try to bring the same ends of two magnets together, they will repel or push each other away. This happens because the electrons in the magnets are trying to move away from each other, just like when you try to push two magnets with the same ends together. So, in simple words, magnets work because of their special force called magnetism. They have tiny magnets inside them that line up and create a strong force. This force can attract certain things, like metal, and push other magnets away. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.